Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make Chapman drink with just two, simple ingredients you can find. And first you want to get Zobo leaves. Yeah, you get me right. Then you want to go ahead to wash it just to get rid of dust or sand, whatever is attached to it. Then you get a bottle of Sprite. It can be plastic Sprite or bottle. So just this is just the one I can find. Okay, and you can also use 7 up anyway. So yeah. So the next thing I'll be doing is to soak the Zobo flower or Zobo leaves with few drops of the Sprite. You can let that soak for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes or even more depending on how thick you want the color of it to look. So okay. So yeah, so after letting it, soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, and this is what I'm getting. I want to get, scoop out the Zobo flour and discard it. So next I'm going to strain the liquid in a sieve so that I can get rid of any dirt that is still attached to the liquid, and that's what I just did, and this is what we have at the end of the day. And you just want to go ahead and serve it and enjoy. If you have ice, you can, or you can put it in your fridge, let it chill for some while then before drinking it. Okay. And also, if you want a tangy taste, like you want it to have a bitter taste, you can as well add lemon juice or lime juice to it and just stay and enjoy. Or you want that meat, taste, you can add meat leaf as well, just match a little and add to it. And yeah, enjoy your drink. And if you also want it to be light, not as thick as the first one I did, you can just, you know, make yours as light as the second one I'm showing you right now. And that's it guys, our Chapman drink is ready. You can enjoy it chilled, you know with ice, or you can just leave it in your fridge to chill for some while before drinking. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.